Hi, my name's Caleb and I've been with York Ford since fall of 2023. A typical day here at York Ford Brazil for me is getting the customers in and out in a timely manner, meeting and greeting, getting our parts acquainted, just overall getting the process through for you easy as possible. The best part of my job is the experience of meeting with the customers, as well as repairing their vehicles and seeing them leave with a smile on their face. My favorite truck has to be the Ford F-150. It's #1 selling in America for a reason. I've been in the automotive industry for 13 years. Working with York has been tremendously significant. Not only do they treat the customers like they're #1, they treat the employees as if they're #1. The best advice I can give someone regarding getting their vehicle serviced is maintenance. Maintenance is the key to prevent bigger problems, and it may seem like it's more of an expense now. It saves money in the long run. The best skills I bring to York Ford Brazil is experience and communication. With the experience I have, if there's been an issue with Ford, most likely I've seen it, and we will find it. As for me, I'm a dog person, and you wouldn't guess it, but it's a Chihuahua, and his name's Chico. He's 20 years old now, and that's my baby boy. If we was to hold a York Automotive talent show, I could spit bars to Slim Shady, so I'll karaoke that all day long. My favorite sports team is Ohio State. Go Buckeyes. Someone I admire is my father. From his hard work ethic to his drive of just being a dad. Can't say enough. One of the causes I care about is drunk driving. I had a cousin that unfortunately was passed away from an accident from a simple Uber lift that could have prevented everything. I'd like to make sure that's just something nobody would have to ever go through ever again. 3 words that describe me: passionate, professional, and courteous. When I am not at work, I am spending time with my family outdoors, hiking, camping, fishing, and just enjoying the outdoors.